Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple 2D animation in Blender. So first thing we're going to do is go open up Blender. In the beginning, when you have an option of which type of animation you're going to do, we are going to pick the 2D animation right here. It's going to come back with a white background and we're ready to start. So down here we already have the first frame has a keyframe right here. So basically we're just going to draw a picture. You can use any of these tools over here. I'm going to draw something super simple. I'm just going to make a circle. Okay, and once I'm done with this circle, to get out of it I hit enter. And then that's my first frame. I use my arrow buttons on the keyboard. I'm going to go forward. I'm going to go forward 3 frames, but you can pick however many you want. Okay, and then now we're doing our second frame. So the way you can do this, you can either go over here to your edit mode and use your select tool, and you can select the thing that you've already done, copy with Control C, then I'm going to paste with Control V, and then I can move it down. And as soon as I move it down, you can see now the previous frame is in gray and this frame is now orange. Okay, that's my second frame. Now I'm going to go forward with my arrow keys. And now I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to go to select. I'm going to highlight the thing that I want selected. Now watch this gray frame behind. As soon as I copy and paste, that gray frame is going to disappear. So now what I see here is the second frame, but on top of it is a third frame. So I'm going to move the third frame. Now you can see the second frame is in gray, third frame is in orange. Then I use my arrow key. Same thing. Select, copy, paste, move down. And who knows, there's probably shortcuts to this to make it easier. I haven't figured them out yet, but this will get the job done the way I'm doing it right now. Okay, I can keep going, but this is where I'm going to stop, and then if I want to play it, I take my mouse down here on the bottom left, I go back to the first frame, and then to play I hit the space bar, and then to stop I hit the space bar. That's it. That's how to do a simple digital animation. If you are in my class, then these are the requirements. Your animation must use all original drawings except for the background. And I'm going to show you how to put a background on there. It must have 100 or more frames, and it must flow in a way that makes sense. And it needs to look like it took some time, like 4 days. So if I just made a ball bounce 2 times, that wouldn't look like it took 4 days. And then creativity, so you need at least one unexpected event in your animation. Before I close this up, I want to go back here. I want to show you how to put in a background. So your backgrounds are really easy to put in. All you do is you put your file on this side, your Blender file, and then on the other side you're going to open up your pictures. And you can download something from the internet. Make sure you give them credit if you want. I mean, not if you want to give them credit, but if you want to use something from the internet, make sure you give them credit. And then you can put whatever background you have in there. I don't have a lot of pictures in here right now, but let's say take this skate park. All you do is drag it from your pictures onto your Blender, and now it's in the background. That's it. Super easy. Good luck.